Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get acorns in Totk, only way. Head to dense oak trees near rivers and press the shake button to drop acorns. Focus on trees with low foliage and nearby stumps where acorns collect on the ground. Use a fast route linking 3 to 5 nearby trees before checking an inventory. Carry a basket or tame creature to gather larger hauls efficiently. Find oak clusters along winding rivers and small lakes to maximize acorn finds. Walk a circular route that hits each tree once, then loop back to shake any missed limbs. Use terrain markers like stumps or rocks to remember productive trees you marked mentally. If an area seems empty, move 300 to 500 meters downriver for the next cluster and repeat your quick sweep pattern. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading guides and strategy notes effortless on the go, with glare-free pages and long battery life that pairs great with game breaks. It's a handy companion when you want to study locations between runs. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use abilities that gently nudge branches so acorns drop without damaging the tree or wasting stamina. Riding a mount keeps your speed high and lets you hit more trees in a single loop, increasing yield per minute. If you plan long runs, periodically deposit acorns in a chest to prevent weight limits slowing you down. Repeat routes at dawn or dusk when enemy activity is lower for safer gathering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.